Okay, this is how I decide to upgrade my desktop PC into homelab server. So this PC is HP elitedesk 800 G4. So it had a Core i5 Intel processor. Now I decide to upgrade to Intel Core i7 8700 CPU. This is 8th generation. And then I upgrade to RAM. Before it had 80 GB, which is this one, but right now it has 40 GB. This is 16 GB and this one is 16 GB as well. I also upgrade the SSD. I put NVMe 512, and this one is a 256 SSD. And then I also upgrade the PCIe Wi-Fi card here. So right now I decide to turn this PC into homelab, and I will show you how I install the Windows Server data center to 2025. So this is how I decide now, and then I decide to show you a quick overview on how I upgrade this CPU. So I'm gonna assemble it now. Thank you very much for